Hello, this video is made in order to tell about experience in this activity. In this activity we saw my topics. In this step 1 we remember the past participle of some irregular verbs used in the sentences. We also remember the handling of the simple past and the present perfect of some verbs. Also, we use comparative and superlative in some sentences. The topics are very important in my English learning process. On the other hand, by watching the video about Santa Marta, I was able to answer the question and understand them according to the chosen topic. Finally, with the elaboration of the audio on the question were in the guide and my answer, and was able to practice the pronunciation. Thank you very much.